What's up, YouTube? We got another video. It's basically this car adapter with a charger. It's supposed to be a fast charger. It says they throw out 10 watts output. Car map, fast charging, gravity adapter, as you can see. So in my description there will be a link to where to buy. Get it open. Okay. As you can see, comes your manual. Now it looks just like that. Put this into your heater vent. This locks in the back. Locks in the back. Put it in. You put your charging cable. And you put in your adapter in your vent. So this should charge your phone. Well, I will test it out, make a video on it. Check it out. Well, as you can see, they get connected to your lighter outlet. Now it gets connected to the back of the piece and your phone goes right in. As you can see, once your phone drops, it locks it in. Okay, put your phone in, locks it in. As you can see, it is charging wireless, and as you can see right here, so it looks pretty cool. The only thing I don't like is that you can't have a cover on. It has to be without a cover, and that's a little dangerous for me. So otherwise it's pretty cool. Take it out, put it in, charging. Take it out, put it in, charging. Well, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.